Hi there, this is Katrina from VRAG and welcome to our tutorial. So for today, I will help you set up our Tile by NatWest plugin on your WooCommerce site. And before we begin, please prepare your license key, store ID, and shared secret. Alright, now I already pulled up our support site here. And without further ado, let's go ahead and install and activate the plugin. So first, in your WordPress dashboard, please navigate to Plugins and click Add New Plugin. And you will see an Upload Plugin button at the top. And please choose the file. Alright, and install now. Alright, let's continue the activation now. Here, I want you to copy and paste the license key on the field, and this will complete the activation. Alright, so welcome to our setup wizard for our Tile by NatWest plugin. Now, you can actually skip this one because the setup is really straightforward. So you can just follow through this tutorial and click I don't need help setting up. Now, if you encounter any issues during the setup or after the setup, you can always go back and use this, okay? So let's click I don't need help setting up now. And we're back to the dashboard. So now I want you to go to your WooCommerce settings. And then payments. And from the list of your payment methods, please find AG Tile by NatWest and let's finish the setup. We are now on our plugin settings page. Here, I want you to enable the plugin first by ticking this checkbox here that says Enable AG Tile by NatWest Checkout. And then please enter the store ID and the shared secret on the specified fields. Now, for the store status, it actually depends on the credentials that you are using. Now, I'm using our test credential, so I'm going to stick with test environment. If you're using your live credential, please choose the live store. Now, if you're worried and you didn't hear about a test credential, you don't know anything about it, you can actually contact Tile by NatWest team or your account representative to request it. All right. So moving forward, we will be selecting the operation mode. Here we have two types. The first one is sale and the second one is pre-authorization. So pre-authorization, this will put orders on hold until payment is captured. While the sale one, this is the most used type as this will immediately charge the customer. And then once done, let's click the Save Change button at the bottom of the page. There you go. So after setting up the plugin, I want you to log in to your Tile by NatWest back office with the credentials provided to you by the Tile team. And then once you're logged in, please navigate to customization and you will find this online store URL settings. Now here, I want you to double check that these three checkboxes here are ticked. And you can just leave this URL fields blank as this will be set automatically in the background by our plugin. Now, this setting will ensure a smooth redirection during the checkout process. That's why I want you to double check this. And then one last thing we need to do. And then one last thing before you go live is to do some test payment for your website. So I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you quickly and let's make a test payment to assure that we have successfully integrated the plugin to your site, okay? So let's proceed to checkout. I already filled this out earlier, so we can continue to pay using Tile by NatWest. And I'm going to use our MasterCard number. Now, we do have other test cards that you can find on our documentation in the website. You can use it. And now for the payment form, let me fill this out quickly here. So for the expiration date, you can choose any future dates, any card code, or CVV. Let's continue. All right, just a second here. All right, there you go. So we do have a successful test order. So for you, I want you to make sure that you've done more than one test order. And once those tests are successful, you can confidently switch to live mode. And what if there is an error? If there is an error or any issue, you can talk to our team by filling out the support form on our website. And we would love to assist you, okay? So this is it for now. Thank you for watching and I hope you an amazing day. Bye!